What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson. Let us go.
What's up, YouTube? Right now, you're hanging with Mr. Jackson. Today, if you have a problem with your PS3, because I just copped a PS3, and I'm kind of tired. I just ran upstairs, and I tried to connect it to my TV, but it wouldn't come on. It was showing the black screen of death, and so I did what I had to Google it, see what to do. They say try another HDMI. I tried 2 different HDMIs. They both didn't work. So I went ahead and ordered me a RCA adapter. As you can see, it's working. It is working, y'all. Now I got this, so it's working right now, y'all. Y'all can see it's working. And I got it hooked up to my my HDMI splitter for my Elgato, so you can see. I can record. And the reason why I got the PS3, because when I first started uploading to YouTube, I started with this game right here, 2K13. I gotta test this out too, y'all. I ain't tested this out yet, but I'm gonna test it out. 2K13, man. And for all my 2K13 videos, I don't know what happened, but YouTube blocked all of them, and I went ahead and deleted them. Later on, I found out I could have appealed all those videos and could still had all those videos on my channel. That's the reason why I'm going back to play 2K13. But not even that, y'all. I just want to play old retro games anyways, y'all. Because these new games, just like I said, it's like a chore. It's like you got to spend hours grinding to get through stuff. If you don't want to spend hours grinding to get through stuff, most games you got to spend money, extra money. Like the old games was fun. You buy the game, you ain't had to worry about spending more extra money. But I just want to keep y'all up to date. And the next thing, if that didn't work, the next thing I was gonna do, I was gonna change the buy a drive, and I was gonna change the drive to it, y'all. But I ain't get to that point. But that's the way to fix your black screen problem, y'all. It's for the RCA. Get it because I know most of the PS3 come with the RCA, or you could order one on Amazon. Get an adapter if the HDMI port ain't working. Before you change the HDMI port out, get an adapter for the RCA. Then try that first. Then try the drive. And then if none of that work, then you probably have to change the port or get a whole nother PS3 or send it back to whoever you bought it from. But all right, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. I see you. Peace. I'm out.